Welcome back to Acid Hot. If you now look Nkubi, you go see say in the try balance himself on top of his chair because on top of the topic when we discuss today, they come out plenty smoke. And they try control myself and they take them easy. And this one got to do with the 2016 budget. Shena abracadabra. The governor of Ekiti State, Ayodele Fayose, don't come and contact say, say make Oga President respect himself, collect that budget back. Check them again, can't go resubmit them because the things when we say we don't they see now, it's very different. Sake of say, just last week, our senators, they talk, say, they see one kind 10 billion under the Ministry of Education when we say, they don't know where the thing come from.
Even the minister himself not even fit state where that thing come from.
Thank you very much. And who is supposed to be in charge of the ministry? The minister. If minister, when they charge of ministry, no
fit. Who again won't defend them?
You can't defend them.
Wale, they call us Chuku, they don't ever tell me to defend it. I'm speaking for Nigerians. Wale, good morning. Wale, are you still there? Hi, Wale.
Why you go see there? Why you tell us say making defend waiting they defenseless? Why you tell us they making defend waiting they no fit defend?
He's a Nigerian.
To come they defend waiting no be true.
He has the right to say anything he wants to say.
Nkubi,
as long as this platform give us the room to talk him the way it be, make we talk him. Chukudi.
Nkubi, see, Nigeria is in a state of economic quagmire.
Kai.
Political phantasmagoria.
Please. We only know of one Nigerian that is entitled to the use terms. Please, if you are not entitled to use terms, don't use terms here.
If they inside constitutions, they may be.
Now, Pidgin English platform be this.
Okay, Ogagbola from Ikorodu. Ogagbola, welcome
Hello.
back to Acid Hot.
Good morning.
Good morning,
We hear you.
Yeah, Oga Ukumbi, I can't support you.
Thank
Why
you.
now?
No, thank you.
Oga Ukumbi, I can't support you because Nigeria are suffering.
Thank
Here
you.
the people are suffering.
Okay.
And there is the budget. What happened to the budget? How did it meet from the house?
Thank you.
Just
It is a
tell us.
question we are all
Did
asking.
Mr. President carry it to the house? How does it meet? Mr. Ukumbi, just shut up. I can't support you.
No, don't you ever tell me to shut up on my program. Mr. Bola,
The budget meets from the house.
Please,
How did
Mr.
10 billion naira enter the budget? You don't know. How did it enter? We are suffering. We have certificates, we can't work. We can't do anything. I can't support you at all. Mr. Ukubi, Mr. Shuku, I support you.
Thank you very much, Ogagbola. Thank you very much.
I really support you.
We don't note your
Because
point.
we are suffering.
Thank you very much,
We are
Ogagbola.
suffering.
We don't
We
note
are
your
suffering.
point.
I can tell you that.
Thank you very much, Ogagbola. We
I
don't
can
note
tell
your
you that
point,
we
and we
are
really
suffering.
appreciate that. But it go good make we emphasize, say, on top of Acid Hot, as we talk, say we won't give people license to talk am. The only thing be them for body. We know, say, it dey pepper Nigerians because in truth, the way when we say this country dey, we want make our country dey good. But Ogagbola, the strong word say making short. I know say the talk when you talk now, like when you call your normal friend, say keep quiet, make I talk. As I dey tell am. But we go make we dey manage the talk so that it no go be like say we go come turn to fight. Oga, okay.
You are spoken like a true Nigerian now. Ogo, okay, good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Nkubi. Good morning, Mr. Chukwode.
Oga, okay, I dey greet you.
My gentlemen, no violence, I beg.
No, Wala. Would they try manage the situation?
I beg. I know say na the problem when Nigeria they face, na make una dey hala for studio so. I beg. I appreciate una good work.
Okay.
But no violence, I beg.
No Wala.
Make we do and gently so that we go see address everything. Thank you. Make I shoot my smoke. Nkubi.
Yeah.
My question be say which time where action thing go stop for Nigeria? Because this government go enter at their own thing come out. This other one go enter at their own thing come out. These people really promise us of change. My question now be say, is this the change we need?
Ogo, okay.
Everybody, hang on.
Okay.
Everybody for Nigeria here, anybody we look in face, you know, go see smiling. Anybody we look in face, like we just see and like say, in face go look like saying they should bitter leaf. It's not proper. We can't vote for better. Then we say we they vote for better, we can't vote for worse, bad. No. Let these people act towards what they tell us, what they promise us. At least may they do one thing, because they never do one thing. They tell us about corruption. I never see one single thing where they don't work. I talk say yes, now waiting they don't work out. Now this one where they don't do give us. No, nothing yet. It's all about corruption now they hear every day. Can't that even affect the masses? They talk say they defend me, they know they carry our money, they come up, blah blah blah. But other people on the other way around, also people where they do business, where they travel outside the country, still affecting them. So they should do something about it, please. Thank you. God continue to bless Nigeria.
Amen. Thank you very much for this your important contribution. But Nkubi, it go good make we try. Just make we try.
React to things.
Make we try. Just use one leg. They count and small.
Okay, better.
I know say the kind fire when I carry come and the kind fire when you carry come. On top of this topic.
No, it depends me too because I'm a Nigerian. Because in the first place.
But make we take leg small. It go good make we emphasize 3 things. Number 1, the budget of every country they very very important. Because even as ordinary person, your budget now based on how you want to spend money. So everybody don't know say budget is very, very important. Number 2, if people elect you to represent them and the budget when you they draw now for the people, it's supposed they open and transparent.
Yes.
Number 3, if we can't begin the see things when it be like say some people put hand, we need answers. So that the integrity when our Oga President get, you know, go be like say they don't spoil in name. Cindy, they call us all the way from Abuja. Cindy, good morning and welcome to our City Hot.
Good morning, my brother. So
good morning, Cindy. We dey fine.
Right now, they hear you, Cindy.
Okay, Mr. Nkubi, I don't know whether you dey get share from this stuff, but at the end of the day, everybody knows say the thing na abracadabra.
Okay, no, I'm not talking about abracadabra.
Now him at the talk, I say I don't know whether you dey get more pay.
No.
Why you no go come and come tell us say
I am transparent
when they do no so. See as Fashola come out the other day, come tell us say the past government say they don't know say they supposed to put this money for electricity, but he was working with this past government. So why didn't he come out that time and tell us say Oga President, you know they do well, or put this in on no command this thing. Why he come now come they talk am?
Cindy.
Now Mr. Chukwudi now the support for the issue.
Okay.
I dey tell you.
Okay, Madam Cindy, you don't do it. Thank you very much. You are a Nigerian. Every Nigerian, as we talk, I say everybody gets their right to talk within their mind. And we appreciate the cause we don't get so far. And we not also stop the cause from not coming in. As we get Dakpo. Dakpo, they call us from Ikorodu right now. Good morning, Dakpo.
Dakpo, good morning, Mr. Nkubi.
Yes.
Man, now you get my hand for today.
Okay.
You see, as Nigeria be, the life of Nigeria is from particular people hand. If Nigeria go good today, na National Assembly go start. Because nothing where the president go do, we no go reach National Assembly. President feel like something way better for the budget. Maybe submit am. Maybe the chiefs wey dey there don't change am. They no fit blame am. So Mr. Nkubi, you get my hand today, but one thing I just want me to know to say. If Nigeria go good, na National Assembly go start.
Oga Dakpo, you dey hear me? Now ask this question.
I dey hear you.
Okay, Oga Dakpo, the people when draft the budget, we get people when we say now their work to draft the budget. As these people don't draft the budget, come submit them before people when we say they're supposed to review the budget. And those people come see say, it be like say, things when they this budget don't they very very different. Who you think say we suppose ask questions to know since we know say now these people suppose draft the budget.
As we think now, the people will slap the budget. We not go hold them responsible.
Okay.
Because the first person will write up. Now you know what's in right.
Okay.
As now they can't hand over to the people now. Maybe say the people can't do some abracadabra. They can't come out.
Yes.
They can't see some changes we will not supposed to see.
Yeah.
So we go hold the person will slap the budget responsible.
Oga Dakpo, thank you very much for this your important contribution. It make plenty sense. And we go emphasize them as Oga Dakpo don't talk say government no be one man business, na collective effort. Everybody get their responsibility. Make we dey watch so that we go hold those when we say they do something responsible for wetin they do. Oga Gbolahan, they call back on top of accident.
Mr. Nkubi, I'm sorry for that.
No, they try to relate to our Nigerians.
I'm sorry.
No, Allah.
What it's how it pains me. That is how I talk.
Okay.
Oga Gbolahan, who is no say you
it was not easy for us, for Nigeria.
Oga Gbolahan, thank you very much. So you even call back to apologize. And we really appreciate and we don't get your point. All of us agree, say, things no day the way when we say we go want time for this country, even with the blessing when God don't give us. Now why would they discuss this matter so that everything go dey open and clear and Nigeria go move forward? Who could be go good make yourself even tell them say
Chukudi.
You don't accept.
I don't accept, but I don't get issue. I like the way they talk. Because it's in mind. Now what did they in mind? And on this note, we can't get one of our callers, Oga Chukudi. Oga Chukwudi, they call us from Owerri. Good morning, Oga Chukwudi.
Good morning, gentlemen.
Yes.
Chukwudi, my brother, how are you?
I agree to Oga Chukwudi. Good morning.
Yes. I think we don't miss something for this matter, what we discuss now. You know what we don't miss?
What thing?
First of all, this budget was first submitted during December time, Abi. They enter front door, submit them. All of a sudden, the budget now waka from the window.
Waka come out.
Now, that one. 1. 2, if you define corruption, corruption means, for layman understanding, it means a lack of integrity and honesty. And by extension, corruption means using your position for dishonest gains. Now, I see the weight. Waiting the wait where we never begin to find out who did that withdrawal from the window.
Yes.
Now, serious corruption.
Yes.
It is pure lack of integrity and honesty. And that particular thing was done to dishonestly gain some people. And somebody used that position for dishonest gains. Why can't we prosecute that process of withdrawing that particular appropriation bill? It's a serious issue. I don't know. We can't be blowing hot and cold every time. Corruption. This is a clear case of corruption. We ought to have investigated this matter beyond a level that, so that we know who and who. My brother, I am privileged to see that particular appropriation bill. My brother, if you see the figures there, my brother, you can't believe it. You can't just believe this kind of the volume of billions being appropriated to certain agencies, certain sectors that are of no relevance.
Yes.
I'm telling you, it's a high time we take this thing from the root. Let us leave the abracadabra. It's obvious. That's what I mean. But let us know
thank you very much for this
now remove that
contribution.
Thank you very much.
I appreciate them. Say every time when you get the opportunity to talk about Nigeria, you go talk about. Help us spread the word. Tell your loved ones when they for the southeastern part of Nigeria, when be our brothers say this country, all of us go they contribute. They talk and do anything be so that this country go move forward. If we look this matter well, make we know even the reason why we know even first go into the figures now because of say all of us for this country believe say our Oga Presido as he don't talk the way when he don't live in life now life when they very very simple and Oga Presido for the presidential media chat for December been talking about her say he no go support make it be say people go carry one big money go buy motor but Nkubi if we check the figures when they start this budget just like Oga Chukwudi don't talk he gets some kind of things when we say them carry big money put for. It could be like say,
but call them like
outrageous.
Ghost money. Where we say you don't know what in they allocate this particular money for. Okay, in the end, where this money won't waka go? Whose pocket won't waka go? And the question here is, okay, budget was submitted. Okay, they can't say budget means. Okay, within that period where budget means, so the period where they talk, where the House of the Senate come and talk, say, look, budget no means, say it did there. What happened? What played out?
Thank you very much.
Okay, who must have filtered or probably infiltrated the figures where they did that budget?
Thank you very much.
That is the question we should be asking. And for the Minister of Health to come out to talk, say, waiting in drawers, waiting in map out, not waiting in the relate with these
exactly.
people. Then that calls for more investigation. It calls for investigation. And if this investigation is not being carried out, or probably if it is carried out and they don't bring out head, say, okay, see people where they guilty, then we will not say our leaders just take us for granted. We get Oga Joshua. Oga Joshua, they call us from ABJ. Good morning, Oga Joshua.
Oga Joshua, I better reduce the volume of your television. We dey hear the voice. You don't get very clear, so you don't connect.
Good morning, Joshua.
Good morning, Oga Nkubi.
Yeah.
Yes, I want to talk about the budget.
Okay.
This issue that we are just talking about, many of us are just blaming APC. We can't blame APC for everything, even the economy on situation now. It's not the fault of APC. This issue we're talking about, the problem has been there, even ever from the last and previous administration. This issue has been there. This suffering has been there. Lack of employment is there. All these issues, some people are just talking that APC, we are not seeing nothing. We should not, because of one error, and say this government are not doing they are not doing their best.
Oga Joshua.
They are just coming on board.
Oga Joshua, you hear me?
This is the first time they are presenting.
But Oga Joshua, let me ask you this question.
They can have issue. They are still learning.
Oga Joshua,
we should understand with them. It's not that we condemn everything they are saying and crucify them. All these issues, some people are saying, has been on ground. So they are just 8 months.
Oga Joshua.
Presenting a budget for the first time. So we should have patience with them and see what they are doing. We should not, because of one error, and say they are not doing anything.
Oga Joshua.
This is what they promise us. Do you know maybe the National Assembly wants to play politics?
Oga Joshua.
Figures. We don't know, maybe that is not what is there. Maybe that is what is there. So we have to wait and see the presidency when they make their own explanation on the issue.
Thank you very much. Oga Joshua.
This issue, I will just say as a Nigerian, let's accept and work together and let this country move forward.
Oga Joshua, you don't make very, very important points. Thank you very much. But it be like as you reduce the volume of your TV, you know if they hear us, the question we want to ask you. So now, as you they watch us now, we go ask you one simple question. The topic we will discuss today, not be issue about whether the government don't do work. I mean, this government don't do work, or the government when they before don't do one thing, I mean, they don't do. What will they discuss now? The 2016 budget of change. Budget when we say is go decide how Nigeria go take do everything when we go do this year. When a home minister fit come out, they talk say, waiting there inside budget, different from waiting in send go.
The point is,
now the question be that, and if you identify, say, one error. Error na something when we say na mistake. And na something when we say they're supposed to correct. We're not going to talk say because of error, make we can't continue because error na mistake. And for budget of change, error no supposed to be there. Oga Ololade, they call us all the way from Ilasa. Oga Ololade, welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Ololade, good morning. Good morning. We greet you.
In fact, I'm really impressed about this issue that you people raised today.
Thank you very much.
But one thing is just that our governments are not really considerate. This House of Assembly of a thing, they don't even think of us. I mean, young graduates have never found a job. At least they should consider us. They have children, isn't it? If their children are like us, asking here and there before we get money, at least they will have a rethink over what is happening. It's not meant to be so. They are not even thinking of the civilians at all, and which is not meant to be so. Look at everywhere we have to work here and there. We are looking for a job, no job. Even though you find the job, no money. Before I quitted the job I was doing before, they are not paying me salary. So how do you expect my parents to gain the fruit of their labor with all this? They are not really considerate at all.
Ololade,
thank you very much, Mr.
Ololade, thank you very much. We don't hear. We go also use this prayer, escort you. Say, God go keep your parents, God go keep yourself, and then go enjoy the fruit of your labor. And every other Nigerian, when we say, our parents don't invest into our life. Nkubi, still talking about waiting our previous caller talk, when he be vexed, talk say, error. For inside this budget, we get what they call 30.8 million naira for state house rent. Then they pay house rent for Aso Rock. Now, question away Oga Samali from Ojodugu answer. Oga Samali, welcome to Aside Hot.
Samali, good morning. Aye, bless you, we don't lose Samali. We
don't lose Oga Samali.
Fine, okay.
30.8 million.
Hold on.
State house rent.
And that's where we go.
For inside Aso Rock.
He also said something, say, look, Chukudi. Say, he described it as an error. Error, be say, just as the top, it's not mistake. But in this case, if a particular government don't they do this in the past, they deliberately chip in one particular money for themselves, for their own personal
and the National Assembly go overlook.
We come in this budget, come uncover what that particular government don't they do. Come uncover them for this government, say, look, see what they play out. It is high time we investigate into this matter. Make we bring out people who are responsible for this thing. Make them face the point. Make them face panel. Because if they don't they play, if they don't they do this thing in the past, and they still want to continue under this change decision we don't collectively agree say we won't move it. Then you just like say we get leaders where they take us for granted. Where no one really support the change idea.
Very true.
So it is just a collective thing that we all have to come together and fight against.
Very true. So collectively, we go enter inside this small break. When we go this break, come back from where we go stand. Now the final bus stop on top of Aside Hot, now we go there. And we'll come to discuss what we expect the government to do to fit address this issue. Remember, say we don't talk about trust deficit between those when the government and those of us when we say that they lead. If this thing can't happen, then we say that trust. When we talk, say, we won't try give them while I don't the day. No go anywhere, now still Aside Hot. Who could be you? Aside Hot on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia Max UHF 57 and Channel 98, Wazobia TV on top of Go TV. And we discuss the 2016 budget and the way when we say the thing can't be like say na abracadabra. And we don't break everything down talk about how Oga Presido carry the budget after they draft them, go submit before the members of the National Assembly. And later we can't hear gist say, it be like say the thing disappear. Then they come talk say, okay, then withdraw them to correct some kind of things. And now, the figures when they come out now, they're very, very shocking. If to say this thing just come out for news, it go there enough for us to talk, say, we don't believe them. But if our senators them identify inside the Ministry of Education, say you get 110 billion when we say, it be like say the thing just appear from nowhere, and you don't get anything when they want you to do 10 billion. It's something when we go think about. Then if the Minister of Health, the person when we say, in the sit down for the ministry, he look the committee men, tell them say, this thing when they inside here, not be the one when I submit. We need to go cross-check. Now me say, as Nigerians, we suppose to ask questions and make with the talk, so that those when they lead this our country, and the bad people when won't spoil the name of Oga Presido and the name of plenty good Nigerians, we go put them to shame.
In the same vein, Chukudi, in the same vein, every other ministry will never come up before the House of Senate and the House of Senate. Make them go through. By the time they know say this thing, know they appropriate with the way they take planner, make them speak out. Make them know when they do a hard matter, can say make the person way probably do this thing, no can they get issue with me. Make them speak out because this is the time for us to do it. Collectively come out, talk with you, wait to know the inside the budget what we put. Because if in the end this budget don't reflect what you do. Now still, it will still bounce back on the people. We will not do it when I create the budget for the first place. Because development, if you don't come up, who will blame? We'll still refer to the ministry, and the ministry will refer to the government generally. So this is how it should be. When I come out, when they talk, make us know how to take full of this matter.
Very true.
We get Oga Philip. Oga Philip, they call us from Ikorodu.
You want talk? You want talk?
Hello, good morning, Kobe.
Good morning, Philip.
Good morning, Chukudi.
I agree to Oga Philip. I better raise your voice.
Yeah. So please, I just want to contribute for the program.
Okay.
Yeah, what I want to say, they promised us last year, as soon as we're entering January this year, the budget will take over. I'm surprised enough we've seen it since January now till now. I have not do anything on it. Now I'm hearing this morning and say they are going to be approved the budget they are going to be approved on February 25th, no going to work out again. So for how long this is going to take place?
Okay, Philip, very important question, and you don't ask. So, and now why we as Nigerians carry this platform, give everybody when be Nigerian, and when get the interest of this country for mind, say, make we open our mouth, they talk, so that those when the leaders go know, say, Nigerians really they're interested in this country, and we want to make our country move forward. We get Ifeanyi from Ajangbadi. Ifeanyi, good morning and welcome to As It Hot.
Good morning, my brother Shukudi.
Good morning, Ifeanyi.
They try for us well.
Thank you very much.
It could be good morning.
Good morning, Ifeanyi.
Yeah, you people are they try, honestly speaking, they try. But this Nigeria, my brother, we don't try, we don't suffer. Where would they go? We think we say our own president. Now, you get one man we call Okechukwu before, he said past president or this administration do this, do that. They don't do anything. But this kind of president will enter. I know they condemn the man, honestly, because number one, the man is advanced. The man is an old man. So, one thing we need now, people where they young, we're going to tell them what to do. Not be all this one where they say they don't chop. They don't know even the right and the left again. And the one thing where they pay me for body pass for this nation, we say, our Nigeria knows sabi how to put ministers. Me, see, Fashola, what if Fashola know over the minister where you did? What if with me, I'm know over transportation? What me is ordinary a lawyer. Fashola is a lawyer. How is it going to work out? We see somebody that is a teller, and you give me a minister of transport, or you see somebody that is a carpenter, you give me a minister of housing and power and this, that. It is not done. Everything must be going up and down, scattering this nation.
True.
Please, my dear brother, I really love this program that you people are.
Thank you very much. Okay, fine, I beg. What you go do for us now to tell your Ajangbadi people, and your people when we say, even though they know the Lagos, say, Channel 98 on top of Go TV, Wazobia TV, and those when they Lagos, UHF 57, and they're going to watch us live and direct, and they will get the chance to contribute for inside this matter. Agu, they call us all the way from Enugu. Oga Agu, good morning and welcome to As It Hot.
Morning, gentlemen.
Good morning. This is your voice,
I thank God for the work you people are doing for Nigerians, and I encourage you.
Thank you,
very much.
But if the head is sick, then the whole body is paralyzed. That is my own word. I believe that in the administrative office, there's supposed to be scrutiny. And the essence is to make sure there is no loopholes. So this is not what we voted them in to do over there. And I believe that God is watching, and everybody is going to give account of whatever the person is doing, especially for a country like this. So Nigeria is just like a foot without joints. I don't know where we are heading. We're supposed not to be hearing all these things, rubbish, over there in Aso Rock. So let them sit up. That is my own idea.
Oga, thank you very, very much for this your important contribution. We really appreciate them. And then we go like emphasize, say, Oga Presido, we been give order, say, this budget, make them make them public so that everybody for inside Obodo Nigeria go see them, know as the things they go. This one don't add to some of the information when we say Nigerians don't try balance with what happened for the past administration. Say if 2015 budget day like this, and we say 2016 budget a budget of change, and we don't tell Nigerians to fasten their seatbelt. Why it be say some kind of money they enter and some kind of things they enter. And some people don't beat their chest, talk, say then they're very, very certain, say, Oga Presido don't go support anything when we say go put Nigerians under pressure or suffer Nigerians. Sake of saying already talk and say he no go be party to anything when we say he go allow for, I go speak English, ostentatious lifestyle for people when we say suppose they represent the good people of Nigeria.
For this kind of level of support to play out well, for us to be able to at least talk, say yes, we support the president, make everybody come bring their hands on deck so as to go feed one. If the legislators on their own part get their own, let's say their own, they feel and get their own this thing plan. Say, okay, see what now we're going to decide what's going to happen within our own dream. The executive get their own talk. How it is they go collectively work?
Very
because
true.
The center of this budget thing lies between the executive will submit the budget and the legislator.
When the executive when draft time before they submit time.
And this way they
look into them.
Waiting play out. Because this kind of thing, not what we supposed to see.
True.
But the committee where they in charge of appropriation and don't talk say look, say they go do it, say they go ensure say they carry out investigate on top of this matter. So but the major thing
the earlier they carry out the investigate, the better. Because budget supposed to run from March.
Beautiful.
And today na February waiting. You have made a lot of sense with this topic.
That time I made a lot of sense. Have I not been making sense before? You've started with this, you're picking on meeting.
Why you won't end this program with fight?
No, Chukudi, please, don't ever tell me. You are talking as if every time they talk, I say no, they right. Say I always talk such a way.
I say you talk no, they right. I say you have made a lot of them. Which one be? Everything when they talk no, they right.
Please.
I will give it to you hot. If you give it to me hot, I'll give it to you hot.
Oh, you want to?
If you give it to me hot, I'll give it to you hot.
Bring it hot.
Because I end the show. No come
down. End show. Our beautiful Nigerians. Yes, on this note, with the way this budget issue...
Which way? They know they see you in the end show. Which show in the end? Our people went there for us until we come... I will end the show quickly so that we go fight. Until we come back again tomorrow, we'll talk about people they come and smoke. Oh yeah, I don't end now. Quickly. Do your worst.
Oh yeah, now.
Do your worst. Oh, you...
Yeah, first remove shoe for you.
You want to remove shoe? No, do your worst.
No, oh yeah, now.
I will cover you.
Cover me.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.